Okay. How was your day last day?
Last day, I was not feeling well.
What happened? What's wrong with you?
Because I have I had taken a coronavirus vaccine,
Mm-hmm.
and just a pain,
You have headache.
headache, not headache. You can say pain in my hand where
Okay. You
where I
you
have
had
where
a you had a shoulder ache.
shoulder ache.
Shoulder ache. You are we can say I have a shoulder ache. I have a finger ache. I have a headache. I have a nose ache. I had this. You can say I have. Past had present have.
I had a headache, not shoulder ache.
I had a shoulder ache. Yeah, it's good. Too good.
I had
Sense.
shoulder
Sound.
ache.
Mm.
Mm.
And last day you didn't talk to me. Uh, he was engaged. Was because oh, okay, okay. You told me I had a shoulder ache. Yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
You
What are you thinking
you
about
health
me?
watch. Okay. Tell me.
What was you thinking about me yesterday?
Thinking you're making excuses.
No,
You're
it's
making
not
a
like.
lot of excuses. So I thought there must be problem. Um, they might have problem. That's why he didn't call me. He was not free last day. Okay, madam, we can talk on alternate days. Alternate days. If you will talk on alternate days, then improve. You can learn vocabularies. Then because you don't have time. You are doing job. You go to office. Then come at home. Then you have lots of work. Yes, sir. I know.
Do you know I have came 6:40 a.m. I reached.
Oh, superb.
Mm.
Mhm.
It has been late to me to come from duty
Oh. Mm-hmm.
because we have to give handover to another staff.
Mm-hmm. Oh, just
Yes.
think.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
but I will try to come in right time, in exact time.
You came on a check time. Yeah, I saw. I'm
Mm.
too. I'm too. I'm too.
Yeah.
Watch is my booking. I will conversation with you as I thinking. I will come. I will have to come online. I only check time it. So I can. I will conversation right now with you. And okay, but did you put down any questions?
Today I did not. I could not make any question because I have
Okay,
in came late.
you came late. You got little late.
Mm.
Today I have a cold, sneezing and dropping. So I consider with you. Doesn't matter. I thought be positive thinking. Don't about any sneezing and it is disgusting. And, oh, tell me, how about you last day? How did you spend last day?
Last day I was in my room. I have told you already. I was not feeling well.
Hmm. Yeah, you have told me. And after that, did you do new? Did you new to a last day at home? You on a room? New things. New things. Did you think new things?
Yes, I am thinking new things.
Say me. Say me. What did you think last day?
Which
Say me.
regarding? Which
I'm
regarding?
thinking last day. You was thinking something new. Yeah, only thinking about shoulder.
I was thinking new. So I was thinking little bit shoulder. and not too much thinking about shoulder.
Hmm. Okay, I got your point. And did you talk to with your GF?
Not because he calls she calls me after
Mhm.
2 p.m. but I
Yeah.
did not receive your call.
Her call. Yeah, I got.
I could
Mhm.
not.
He couldn't receive her call. But why? He was calling you. He should have. Must have picked his call. Her call is last day.
Mm. When I am calling, I am talking with you in morning. That so many time, so too much time. But when I am
Hmm.
calling, talking with you afternoon, mm, the time
Hmm.
is short. I am not.
Yeah, I got. Hmm. Hmm.
I
That
could
was
not.
short time, and hmm,
Cannot
uh,
make.
I I got a point, Aja. Okay, after you,
Mm.
first you. Tell me. Okay, I'm talking about whenever you free, she not free. Whenever she free, you are not free that time. Something upcoming, um, interchanging. This is not combination.
Yes,
Am I right?
yes, you are
Hmm.
right. You are
Sometimes you have a time, other has no time.
right.
Sometimes
He
you have
had.
time, has no time. That's why. Mhm.
Mm,
And
he had.
I got this point. Thinking, okay, what are you looking for? What ahead? What will you do tomorrow? Tell me, what will you do new in a tomorrow?
Tomorrow, some question I have to prepare,
Mm-hmm.
and
To
after conversation,
prepare new question. Um, okay, I interrupt you frequently. Sorry for this. Tell me.
mm, after conversation,
Try. Mm. Try. Speak. Try.
yeah, I am trying. After conversation, mm, I will make some question for
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow
Okay.
because,
Superb. Think. And
because after coming from duty,
mhm,
do not have time.
you don't have time.
Mm,
Mm. Don't have
After
time, but you have to take a time.
mm,
You take out time is if you don't take out time, how will you get over English? How will you eradicate your English weakness? Is a because you can take out your hesitant it's, and go ahead. Your friend will go ahead. You will fall behind. So first of all, preparation is to write learn vocabularies, but don't study at the expense of health. You will study like this, so you health will not working is properly. Okay, first of all, health, then wealth. Study, then learning.
mm. You had told me some.
Your camera, come
Yes,
up. Yeah, too good. Now
mm. You had told me
tell me.
some question you will send
Mm-hmm.
about mm, vocabulary and some sentence, but you did not
Okay,
send.
okay. Uh, I didn't send you apology for this because I had a lots of work so that maybe I will send tomorrow morning time. I'll send you, then you will take a look, check out, tell me how is this. I will help you totally. Something Hindi sentence, then you make a no, not the Hindi translation. I don't know the translation, but Hindi supporting, then you will make a sentence according to structure. I will send you structure, vocabularies, and like this. Okay.
Yes.
You will understand. You will
Yes.
get over your English. You will think as I good.
Yes. 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 You can you can send in morning, but I cannot see in morning because
No
whenever
issue. Mhm.
mm,
No issue will not check out at my time, but whenever you will care, you open a net on that you can check out and tell me. We will consider about structure, vocabularies you will learn day by day. Then I will send you my notes, my personal notes. But who I am using that.
I can check after 2 p.m. I will check.
Why not? I optimize. You will learn speak English fluent like me because you have a passion. You want to go ahead is with your passion. I want to educate you English speak classes. Right? I'm gonna help you too myself. I'm gonna help you with this kind of first step, two step. We're gonna on the stair and one by one climb. If you will
Step
jump,
by
you will fall. You may fall down. We should um, up up stair step by step. Then you can get. Otherwise, we will never get over.
yes. Step by
Mm.
step have fun.
Yeah, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, ask me any question about your thought about your new scenario. Ask me, I'm gonna reply you.
Today I mm, did not make any question.
Okay, I'm asking you. Okay,
Yes, you can ask.
do you yoga?
Mm, not. I
You don't follow yoga.
I follow sometimes yoga.
Sometime yoga.
Yes.
Sometime why? Because
Sometimes
it's a daily routine. Daily.
daily routine because not possible. Okay, because our duty time randomly change.
Randomly changed.
Change.
Next,
So we mm, cannot
do you exercise in the morning? Idiot. Do you exercise.
exercise. Yes,
How much time? How long? How long do you exercise in a morning time? Morning period?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Yeah, okay, it's good. If you do want to body healthy, do you want to see your body looks like healthy?
Yes, I am looking healthy.